starting Monday the 25th, we will recommence domestic civil aviation operations in a calibrated manner. As I said, many of you said, what does calibrated mean and what is the percentage? Some put a figure at 30, some at 35. It's part of the game. But let me try and now put some precision to that. And as I said, the domestic civil aviation operations will be permitted with effect from 25th May to a limited extent of the required and approved capacity of the summer schedule 2020, as I'm going to list out. For operations from metro to metro cities, 1/3 capacity of the approved summer schedule 2020. So approved 1/3 would be more, 33.333%. So most of you had your range correct. Those who said 30% hoga ya 35% hoga. And I kept saying, well, I can point you in the direction. I mean, exact percentage, we'll have to wait for the announcement. For operations from metro to non-metro cities and vice versa, where the weekly departures are greater than 100, 1/3 of the capacity of the approved summer schedule 2020. For operations from metro to non-metro cities and vice versa, where the weekly departures are less than 100, airlines are free to operate any routes of the 1/3 capacity of the approved summer schedule 2020. For all other cities, airlines are free to operate any routes of the 1/3 capacity of the approved summer schedule 2020. When I use the word metro cities, this means Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Kolkata. This order, which is being issued today, and the airlines' operations will commence on Monday the 25th. This shall remain in force till 23:59 hours, Indian Standard Time, on 24th August 2020. जैसे मैंने आपसे पहले कहा कि जो डेट ऑफ कमेंसमेंट है सोमवार 25 मई को, 1/3 ऑपरेशंस जारी किए जाएंगे. हवाई अड्डे पे देयर विल बी नो फिजिकल चेक इन, only a web check-in will be allowed. A self-declaration or Aragya Setu app status on a compatible device would also be obtained that the passenger is free of COVID-19 symptoms. Passengers जिनका red status हो इस app पे, they will not be allowed to travel. Passengers will be required to wear protective gear, face mask, and to carry sanitizer bottles. Airlines shall not provide meal services on board. Water bottles will be made available in the gallery area or on the seats. The cabin crew will be required to be in full protective gear, full protective suit. Only one check-in bag will be allowed. Passengers should report at least 2 hours before the departure time. On arrival at the destination, the traveling passengers will have to adhere to such health protocols as are prescribed by the destination state or union territories, and fares will be regulated and should be within a fixed range. जो हमारे routes हैं, we have divided them into 7 sections. In section 1 are those routes where the flight duration is less than 40 minutes. In the second section are those routes which would qualify in the next segment of more than 40 minutes, but up to 60 minutes. तीसरे सेगमेंट में जो 60 मिनट से लेके 90 मिनट तक, चौथे में 90 मिनट से लेके 120 मिनट तक, मतलब जहां पे फ्लाइट ड्यूरेशन 1.5 घंटे से 2 घंटे की होगी. In the fifth one, from 2 hours to 2.5 hours, 120 से 150 मिनट तक. छठे सेक्शन में 150 मिनट से लेके, जैसे 2.5 घंटे से लेके 3 घंटे तक, 150 to 180. And in the final section, 180 minutes to 210 minutes. That is 3 hours to 3.5 hours. And I think all the routes within the country, no matter which point you start from and whichever the point of destination is, they come within these 6.
The lower band and upper band has been fixed, and we have categorized all the routes into 7 different categories: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And each is on an increment of 30 minutes of flying time. So for an example, if we take Delhi-Mumbai, now this is the densest route we have in the country, and Delhi-Mumbai happens to be the densest route, maybe perhaps in the world also. Now, in this, the lowest fare which has been prescribed is 3,500, and the upper limit is fixed at 10,000 rupees. Now, how it works is, airlines have a system of RBDs, which we also called buckets. So this fare band is split into different buckets, and then the airlines allot seats in different buckets. Now, if we just say lower is 3.5 and upper is 10,000, it may create a problem that they may sell the entire thing at the highest fare also. So we are putting a second rider. The second rider is, and that's the most important part of is, that 40% of the seats have to be sold at a fare less than the midpoint of the band. I'll repeat. 40%, मतलब जितनी भी सीटें हैं उसका 40% अगर हम अपर बैंड और लोअर बैंड का मिड पॉइंट लें, उदाहरण के लिए 3,500 और 10,000, इसका मिड पॉइंट बनता है लगभग 6,700. तो हम बोल रहे हैं कि 40% जितनी भी सीटें हैं उनको 6,700 से कम में बेचनी है. Now this is how we are ensuring that the fares don't go out of control also. At the same time, we are ensuring that the fares are reasonable for the airlines also.